Oh my god. Good morning, you guys. Today is Monday, July 9th. And I move in 2 days. Everything is happening very quickly, but it's fine. So today's activity, I'm going to be doing a lot of like getting ready for move-in. I ordered my bed and bed frame and the sheets and pillows, and I'm getting it shipped there so that it arrives the day that I get there. I haven't really ordered or bought anything else just because like I feel like I'm not gonna know how I want my space to look until I live there for a little bit. Because I'm just weird. Like, I think if I get a bunch of stuff that I think I'm gonna like, I'm gonna get there and I'm gonna end up like hating it. So I'm just kind of holding off on a lot of stuff, but I feel like a bed is pretty standard. And I just got black everything because, hello, black is like me. It matches my soul. Yeah, it's Monday morning. It's so weird because Mondays are my only day off, and like most people, Monday is like the day that they work. So on the upside, I feel like my day off is usually pretty quiet because like if I go to the grocery store, there's no one there or whatever. But yep. So today is going to be full of calls to try and get my electricity set up and to try and get my internet working. So yeah.
All of our customer care representatives are assisting other callers. We would like to offer you the opportunity to keep your place in line and have us call you back when it's your turn.
So this whole like trying to figure out what internet plan I need to be getting is all types of confusing, because like the one that has more megabits per second and can hold up more devices is cheaper than the one with less megabits per second and only supports one device. Like, I'm real confused. What? And I gotta wait for the electric people to call me back. I love adulting. I look so gross. Oh my god. I need to like insert like one clip of me looking not homeless in this video to prove that like I can look okay. Who is calling me? I'm also like really confused because as I'm looking for an internet plan, it says it's good for up to 5 devices at a time. Like, is a device a router, or is a device like my internet or phone, or like, and they don't have any description on here of what a device is. I'm already over it. Hey you guys, it is the end of the day. Oh my god, I just broke my thing. Hey guys, it's the end of the day on, what is today? July 10th. So Tuesday, so it's the next day, but it's the end of the day. And I forgot to vlog yesterday, and I forgot to vlog this morning, so I'm hopping on here. But yeah, tomorrow is my move-in day. I look really gross, I'm tired. I got ready like so early this morning. I had to go work at Nordstrom. And then I went and bought stuff, like I went and bought laundry baskets and all types of stuff. So yeah, tomorrow is my move-in day. I have everything all set up. I have my electricity set up. I checked my internet thing, and that's supposed to be arriving tomorrow. So I should be able to set up my internet and everything. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to check in, and this might be my last night here, like, living here. Because I kind of thought I wouldn't have internet, so I, like, kind of went back and forth between, like, whether I would stay there or come home. Ooh, I'm burping, I had ice cream. I kind of went back and forth, like, whether I would stay there or come home or whatever, but it looks like I'm going to have my internet and everything, all types of set up. So, yeah. Alright, I'm going to bring you guys with me tomorrow. I'm going to try to remember to vlog as much as possible. It's just so hard because, like, oh god, I'm dropping my camera. I try to stay up to date with the vlog, and I try to keep my Instagram up to date, and then I'm also just trying to live my life. Like, it's just a lot all at once. But like I said, I'm trying to get better about this vlogging thing, and I really want to have a complete cohesive video at the end of this. So yeah, alright, I guess that's it for now. This is so weird. Alright, I think this is my last video in here. I gotta start packing up all my makeup. It's gonna take me, like, honestly, everything else I own, I'm like, it's not gonna take that long. And then someone's like, how long do you think it's gonna take for you to pack up all your makeup? And I'm like, you know what, there's actually a ton. And I slowly want to reorganize it, but, like, I don't want to buy all the things to reorganize it and then try to make them fit in the space. I'd rather be in the space and buy things to reorganize it that fits the space, if that makes sense. Because I'm really not in any kind of rush to have, like, the perfect space. Like, I'm fine living a little, like, having a bed and then getting a couple chairs and dining area and whatever. It's just definitely a really new experience for me. And I know I try to be cool because, like, everyone has, like, their 2 cents on what I need to be doing and whatever, and I appreciate everyone's help so much. Like, I love having people that look out for me, but I'm just gonna do this my own way, and, like, it's not the conventional way. Oh my god, like, my 2 missing nails. Ew. I don't know, I really want to be independent, and I want to pay for my things myself, and at the end of the day, I want to be like, hey, this is mine in my space. I don't know. So yeah, I'm very excited. My friends are very excited for me. Everyone's, like, checking in with me. They're like, are you ready? I'm like, I don't know. We'll see. This is so weird. Okay, well, I will check in with you guys tomorrow. I will be in my space, or getting my space, or driving over, or whatever. But yeah, that's it for today. Alright, hey you guys, so today is officially my moving out day. I don't even know why I bothered curling my hair. It's like, it's really hot here. I also don't know why I'm wearing long sleeves. I was trying to be cute and do, like, a little sporty spice looking outfit with, like, these cycling shorts and a little, like, crop top thing. But I'm fucking dying. Yeah, so today's my move-in day, move-out day, move whatever day. I'm going over to my apartment. Well, actually, I'm going to Target before I go to my apartment, because Target, I have to go get my router for my internet, which I told you guys I got all set up, so I should be having, like, an installation package when I get there. Hopefully, I can freaking set it up. I'm trying to be kind of quick, because I didn't charge my camera. Great. But yeah, so I have all the goods back here. You can see them. I have so much makeup. It was literally 3 of these, like, gargantua it bags full of makeup. I still have a lot of stuff at home. I'm not making, like, a final move or anything, because, I mean, my house is, like, 15 minutes from where I'm moving, so it's not far. So I kind of just took, like, clothes for, like, a week or 2, and then I'll come back and get the other clothes that I'm gonna want. But yeah, the day is finally here. It feels really weird. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I feel like I should be sadder than I am. I'm not sad, but I do feel some type of way, because I was, like, leaving my house just now, and, like, I saw my little puppers, and I was like, damn, I'm not gonna be doing this every morning. But, like, also, I live very close to home, and I'm super close with my family, so it's not like I'm never gonna see them again. I am starting to get a little hungry, though, so I might have to get a little snack on the way there. I just realized I didn't even eat breakfast. That's how excited I was. So yeah, heading over to Target to get my router, maybe a snack, and then we're going over to the place to get my keys. I'm, like, anxious because I haven't, this sounds so crazy, I haven't actually seen the place that I'm moving into. They showed me, like, a model apartment, so it's gonna look like the same as the one that they showed me, which looked great, but I haven't seen the actual one, so I'm gonna be real upset if I get in there and it's, like, hideous, but I'm very doubtful. Alright. Oh, my camera's dying. Ooh, alright, I will check back in later. You guys, I filled out my paperwork, I went through everything, I got in, moved my stuff in. I told you it's not all my stuff, it's just the stuff I think I'll probably need this week. But I am finally in my new apartment. Let me give you guys a little tour. Like I said, my camera battery is trying to die. But I'm gonna try and wrap up this video as quick as I can, while still giving you guys the quality experience. Well, let's get this thing flipped around. When you come in, this is kind of the view. You get to see my kitchen. Let me clip on the lights here. This is all my stuff. But this is the kitchen. It's actually real cute. I have a whole kitchen area. This is the living room. Get these lights flicked on here. It's nice and bright, which I definitely like. Also, I didn't even show you, there's like a little desk in here, and I kind of feel like this would almost be a perfect little makeup station. I don't know, have to figure it out. Yeah, so here is my living room. I have like a sweet view outside too. I get to see this whole little courtyard, and actually it's really cute. I was nervous it was gonna look a little like janky, but I'm here for it. Here is my bedroom. I mean, it's nothing big, it's just a small little apartment. Same kind of view out here. I don't know, I'm like a sucker for views. If there's a good view, I'm here for it. There is like a little gap up there. I don't even know what that's called. There's a proper name for it. Get all my lights turned on in here. Okay, yeah. So, is there not a light up here? No, there's not. That's kind of weird. This is my bathroom. Hello. So bathroom. This tub is actually really big for being like a 1-bedroom apartment. I don't know. I thought it was kind of big. And this is my little hallway. I have a walk-in closet. Oh, there we go. Walk-in closet, soon to be filled up with tons of things. And this is just kind of boring. It's like a washer, dryer area. So yeah, I'm going to start unpacking. I'm going to start settling in. But I think that's kind of it for this video. I did it, guys. I'm moving in. I'm on my own. Ooh, isn't that crazy? All right, well, I'm gonna say that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all the people that actually that watch my channel. I always forget that there's people who have been following me since day one. And like the other day I got a message from a girl and she's like, I've been watching you for forever and I love watching you grow and like become the person you're becoming. And that's like so dope to me. But yeah, so I'm gonna start unpacking, I'm gonna get settled, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like these kind of videos, just so that I know I should keep doing more vloggy, like update type of videos. All right, catch you guys in the next one.